Go on.
Alright. Ricardo Moses. Why you write this down? Ricardo Moses. Ricardo Moses must be freed from jail within the next 24 hours. Now, mechanic section now. $2 million must be placed down to we when we enter the station there. When we enter Freeport Station, $2 million must be sitting and waiting when we enter.
Okay.
And if you want to know who this come from, tell him it come from Ricardo. Ricardo little brother. Tell him it come from Ricardo little brother from Sparta gang. Because since you don't think so now, bad and you can this and what not. Tell him say it come from Ricardo little brother from Sparta gang.
So by when the $2 million put on?
You must put on within 24 hours. If you don't put on, remember me tell her someone police are going to dead. I mean I mean dead by just shoot. I tell us them about torture and we're going to make a video and we're going to post it up.
RGX 179.
So bomb buckle out to the thing could hang up on.
Cut the phone cut off, man.
Huh?
Cut the phone cut off.
Yo, I'm good man, you know. I feel like I don't want dead for you right now.
Alright, so what you say now? $2 million are Ricardo Moses?
Yeah.
Must be released within 24 hours?
Yes.
Or you can shoot up the station?
Yes, and the $2 million for be there, so. Remember, so the $2 million for be there, the waiting. If we enter this, so, a problem now if we not sit. No, not joking thing. I'm afraid to get shot in my bumbo and I'm not that. They're killing me right now and I'm not. Winter right now, I'm going to shoot me down, but remember me telling someone I'm going to go dead, no camp.
And you said this is a friend of Sparta gang?
Yeah.
Alright, so.